Fuel dilution is caused by certain amounts of droplets of fuel that don't get burnt or consumed during combustion and end up getting into the engine oil. When we see high fuel dilution, this can be as a result of a fuel injection fault or some sort of engine management problem with the vehicle. This can cause potentially engine warning lights to appear. If the oil gets too thin and you continue to operate the vehicle or operate the engine, you may see engine damage occur. Modern engine oils are designed to cope with a certain amount of fuel dilution, but if that fuel dilution is too high, the oil will need to be changed. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines and you'll get the most life from your engine and from your oil, and you will also reduce the chances of fuel dilution causing you any problems.